Good morning. Welcome to SPS Online Classes, Class 7th, Multiplication
of Fractions. To multiply one fraction by another, we multiply the numerators together to get the numerator of the product and multiply the denominators together to get the denominator of the product. Thus, if A upon B and C upon D are two fractions, then A upon B into C upon D is equal to A into C upon B into D. That is, product of fractions is equal to product of their numerators upon product of their denominators. Example 1. Multiply and reduce the following fractions into their lowest form and convert them into mixed fractions. 5 into 4 upon 9, 2 upon 3 into 4. Solution. 5 into 4 upon 9 is equal to 5 upon 1 into 4 upon 9, which is equal to 5 into 4 upon 1 into 9, which is equal to 20 upon 9, which is equal to 2 and 2 upon 9. 2 upon 3 into 4 is equal to 2 upon 3 into 4 upon 1, which is equal to 2 into 4 upon 3 into 1, which is equal to 8 upon 3, which is equal to 2 and 2 upon 3. Example 2. Multiply and express each of the following as a mixed fraction. 5 into 3 and 2 upon 5, 3 and 1 upon 6 into 15. Solution. 5 into 3 and 2 upon 5 is equal to 17. 3 and 1 upon 6 into 15 is equal to 95 upon 2, which is equal to 47 and 1 upon 2. Fraction as an operator of. Observe the adjacent figures. These are two exactly similar squares. Each shaded portion represents half of one square, that is, 1 upon 2 of 1. Both the shaded portions together will represent half of 2. If we combine the two shaded half parts, it represents 1. That is, 1 upon 2 of 2 is 1. This implies half of 2 is equal to 1. Also, half into 2 is equal to 1. We see that of represents multiplication. Here are some examples using an operator of. 1 upon 2 of 4 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 4, which is equal to 2. 1 upon 2 of 5 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 5, which is equal to 5 upon 2. 1 upon 2 of 6 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 6, which is equal to 3. 1 upon 2 of 7 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 7, which is equal to 7 upon 2. Example 4. Find 2 upon 3 of 81. 5 upon 7 of 98. Solution. 1. 2 upon 3 of 81 is equal to 2 upon 3 of 81 upon 1, which is equal to 2 upon 3 into 81 upon 1, which is equal to 2 into 27, which is equal to 54. 2. 5 upon 7 of 98 is equal to 5 upon 7 of 98 upon 1, which is equal to 5 upon 7 into 98 upon 1, which is equal to 5 into 14, which is equal to 70. Value of the products. We know that the product of two whole numbers is greater than each of the two whole numbers. Examples: 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 6 greater than 2 and 6 greater than 3. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 12 greater than 3 and 12 greater than 4. Case 1. When two proper fractions are multiplied, the value of their product is less than each of the two fractions. Examples: 1 upon 4 into 3 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 20. 3 upon 20 less than 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 20 less than 3 upon 5. 2 upon 3 into 4 upon 5 is equal to 8 upon 15. 8 upon 15 less than 2 upon 3 and 8 upon 15 less than 4 upon 5. Case 2. When two improper fractions are multiplied, the value of their product is greater than each of the two fractions. Examples: 3 upon 2 into 5 upon 4 is equal to 15 upon 8 15 upon 8 greater than 3 upon 2 and 15 upon 8 greater than 5 upon 4. 5 upon 3 into 7 upon 2 is equal to 35 upon 6. 35 upon 6 greater than 5 upon 3 and 35 upon 6 greater than 7 upon 2. Case 3. When a proper fraction is multiplied by an improper fraction, the product obtained is less than the improper fraction, but greater than the proper fraction. Examples: 2 upon 3 into 7 upon 5 is equal to 14 upon 15. 14 upon 15 less than 7 upon 5 and 14 upon 15 greater than 2 upon 3. 3 upon 4 into 9 upon 2 is equal to 27 upon 8. 27 upon 8 less than 9 upon 2 and 27 upon 8 greater than 3 upon 4. Word problems. Example 1. Vishakha reads a book for 1 and 4 upon 5 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 10 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? Solution. In one day she reads for 1 and 4 upon 5 hours, which is equal to 9 upon 5 hours. In 10 days, she reads for 9 upon 5 into 10, which is equal to 18 hours. Therefore, 18 hours were required by her to read the book. Example 2. Shikha's age is 2 upon 5 of the age of her eldest brother. If her brother's age is 35 years, then how old is Shikha? Solution. Shikha's age is equal to 2 upon 5 of the age of her brother given, which is equal to 2 upon 5 of 35 years, which is equal to 2 upon 5 into 35 years, which is equal to 14 years. Therefore, Shikha is 14 years old. Her brother's age is equal to 35 years. Multiplicative inverse, reciprocal of a fraction. If we multiply 3 by 1 upon 3, that is, 3 into 1 upon 3, we get 1. Similarly, 2 upon 3 has to be multiplied by 3 upon 2 to get 1. 1 upon 3 is the reciprocal of 3 and 3 is the reciprocal of 1 upon 3. 2 upon 3 is the reciprocal of 3 upon 2 and 3 upon 2 is the reciprocal of 2 upon 3. Thus, if the product of two fractions is 1, then one fraction is the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of the other. Clearly, the reciprocal of a non-zero fraction a upon b is the fraction b upon a. Example 1. Find the reciprocal of 2 upon 9, 3 upon 8. Solution. 1. The reciprocal, that is, multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 9 is 1 upon 2 upon 9, which is equal to 9 upon 2. The reciprocal of 3 upon 8 is 1 upon 3 upon 8, which is equal to 3 upon 8. Division of fractions. We know that division is the inverse of multiplication. If we divide 6 by 3, then 6 divided by 3 is equal to 6 into 1 upon 3, which is equal to 2. Similarly, 4 upon 5 divided by 2 upon 3 is equal to 4 upon 5 into 1 upon 2 divided by 3, which is equal to 6 upon 5 quotient. Thus, we observe that if we divide a fraction by another fraction, the quotient is the product of first fraction and reciprocal of second fraction. Therefore, a upon b divided by c upon d is equal to a upon b into d upon c. Example 1. Divide 7 upon 9 by 2 upon 3. 35 by 7 upon 5. Solution. 7 upon 9 divided by 2 upon 3 is equal to 7 upon 9 into 3 upon 2. Reciprocal of 2 upon 3 is 3 upon 2, which is equal to 7 upon 6, which is equal to 1 and 1 upon 6. 35 divided by 7 upon 5 is equal to 35 upon 1 divided by 7 upon 5, which is equal to 35 upon 1 into 5 upon 7. Reciprocal of 7 upon 5 is 5 upon 7, which is equal to 25. Example. Simplify. 48 divided by 8 upon 9. 45 divided by 2 and 3 upon 5. Solution. 48 divided by 8 upon 9 is equal to 48 upon 1 divided by 8 upon 9, which is equal to 48 upon 1 into 9 upon 8, which is equal to 54. Reciprocal of 8 upon 9 is 9 upon 8. 45 divided by 2 and 3 upon 5 is equal to 45 upon 1 divided by 13 upon 5, which is equal to 45 upon 1 into 5 upon 13, which is equal to 225 upon 13. Reciprocal of 13 upon 5 is equal to 5 upon 13, which is equal to 17, and 4 upon 13.
थैंक यू किड्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस. नाउ जितने भी क्वेश्चन आपने अभी तक देखे और लिखे हैं उन सभी क्वेश्चंस को आप लोग क्या करोगे, लिखने के बाद में वीडियो के बिल्कुल लास्ट में कुछ क्वेश्चंस है और कुछ एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन है, कुछ एग्जाम्पल क्वेश्चन है. वो सारे क्वेश्चंस जो नहीं हुए हैं अभी तक वो आप अपने कॉपी में करोगे. ये जो टॉपिक था वो था मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ फ्रैक्शन और डिवीजन ऑफ फ्रैक्शन. अब इसके बाद में एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन आएगी जो मैं मेरी नेक्स्ट क्लास में आपको एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन भी सेंड कर दूंगा. ठीक है, कुछ क्वेश्चन अभी सेंड कर रखे हैं, आप वो देख लेना. थैंक यू बच्चों.